Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Finding the undo button in Microsoft Outlook can be frustrating because it is often hidden or not where you expect it to be. Many users look for a big button on the main ribbon, but it usually stays tucked away in the top left corner of your screen. This area is called the Quick Access toolbar. Look for a small arrow pointing to the left located above the File and Home tabs. If you do not see it there, you can easily add it by clicking the small downward arrow at the very top of the window and checking the box next to Undo. The fastest way to undo an action in the desktop app is using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Ctrl and Z keys at the same time to reverse your last move instantly. This works for deleted emails, moved folders, or simple typing mistakes. If you are using Outlook on the web, the undo feature works a little differently for sent emails. You must enable the undo send feature in your settings menu first. Once enabled, a small prompt will appear at the bottom of your browser screen for a few seconds after you hit send. Clicking this prompt will pull the email back into your drafts folder so you can fix any errors. For general typing in the web version, the Ctrl and Z shortcut still remains your best friend. Navigating these menus can feel like a chore, but once you memorize the shortcut or pin the button, you will save a lot of time. Fixing mistakes quickly is key to staying productive.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.